Hi, this is a GMAT question from gmatquestions.org. Let's read the question. Each of the 1,890 employees at Zeta Company has a salary this year different to his/her salary last year. If the number of employees who have a higher salary this year is 25% greater than the number of employees who have a lower salary this year, how many of the employees at Zeta Company have a higher salary this year? Great. So this is a percentage question, comparing two entities that add up to a total. If you look at the percentage question we've done so far, we tend to stay with percentages. Occasionally also, we had to change the percentages into fractions, into ratios. So it's very important for you to know the correspondence between percentages and ratios. And here we're going to turn a percentage question into a ratio questions. And you're going to see that it's going to be extremely efficient to proceed that way in order to find the answer fast. Okay, so let's go to work here. So what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to call H is higher salary. All the employees that have a higher salary, that's what I mean here when I say higher salary, okay? The number of employees with higher salary. L is the number of employees with lower salary. Okay, I don't want to write everything, just want to obviously save time. And T is the total number of employees, okay? Total number, it means it's equal to H plus L. Okay? Great. Having established that, all we have to do now is write H, L, and total. We are told that the number of employees who have a higher salary this year is 25% greater. As you know, that means that H is equal to 125% of L. But better, this means that this is equal to 5 over 4 L. 125% as a percentage is equal to 5/4 as a fraction. I hope you understand that. Because if you want H equal L itself plus 1/4 of L plus 25% more, which is 1/4, or sorry, 1/4. I'm writing 1/5 here, but it's 1/4 of L. Okay, 1/4 of L. That's what it means to say 25% more or 1/4 more. And this is obviously 5/4 of L. Okay, so you shouldn't even have to do this. You should just understand that 25% more is 5/4. 20% more is 6/5. You add maybe to the 5, 1/5 is 20, 6/5 is 20% more. 1/4 is 25%, 5/4 is 25% more. You're adding 1 to the 4 here to get the 5. Okay, I hope you understand that, and we'll deal with that more as we go along. So what does it mean then? What it means is that, remember, I said that H, let me write it down, H equal 5/4 of L. Now I'm going to turn this into a ratio problem. 5/4 means we have 5 here and 4, 5/4 of L. So the ratio of H to L is 5/4. And the total ratio going to be 5 plus 4, which is 9. And if you don't understand what I'm doing, look at the question we did under fractions and ratios, and you'll understand the language I'm using here. Okay, now what we're going to do, we're going to draw a line underneath and say that 1,890 correspond to the total ratio of 9. Now, all we have to do now is divide 1890 by 9 to get what's called a multiplier. If you do this division, I believe you're going to find 210. Okay, do it easily. I mean, it's an easy division to do. You're going to find that this is 210. Okay? And then this 210 is a multiplier. It's everywhere. It's called a universal multiplier. Okay? If you want, I can write this in a different color. Okay? 210 here. Okay? Multiplier. Again. So, we're being asked to find how many of the employees at Zeta Company have a higher salary this year. Very simple. All we have to do is multiply the ratio corresponding to the higher salary by 210, which is a multiplier. So 5 by 21 is 105, and you add a 0. Okay? So this is our answer, 1050. Okay? We can even find easily the number of employees who have a lower salary by multiplying 4 by 210. Okay? Right here. But we don't need to do that. And that's the nice thing about dealing with ratio. It's really clean, it's organized, and it's fast. It's speedy. Okay? So, the correct answer is C. C is the correct answer. I hope you liked the way I solved this question, turning basically a percentage problem to a ratio problem. Okay? So study this and understand how I did it. And I did this essentially because we have two entities that add up to a total, or two different entities that add up to a total. Okay? Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.